today we're going to be looking at grammar, and in the grammar aspect, we're going to be looking at the verb have. And this is a table showing the different tenses of the verbs. Here the present, here we have the past, and the last we have the future. The first one, the present tense, we have the pronouns and the verb in the present form. I have, you have, he has, she has, you have, we have, and they have. Now, here we see the first person singular, second person singular is the same. The third person, which means the he or she, is the same, has. And the first person plural, second person plural, and the last one is the same, have. Now, on this column, all the verbs are the same except there's two. The two changes to has. In this two now we have the change. The verb changes from have to has. Now in the past form, in the past tense, it runs this way. I had, you had, he had, she had, you had, we had, they had. Now the verb in the past form remains the same all through, from the beginning till the end. First person singular, second person singular, third person singular, and also the third person singular. First person plural, second person plural, and the third person plural. So all the verb runs the same. Had. Now in the future tense, the pronouns remain the same, and we have an addition of will all through, and the verb runs the same all through. You have I will have, you will have, he will have, she will have, you will have, we will have, and they will have. Now there is no change. When you look at this set, the he and she, it is just in the present form that the verb changes to has. But right here, it remains had. And right here, it remains will have. Now, these are the examples. We use the verb in the sentence. Now, the sentences run this way. The first one we have, Ade has 3 books. Ade has 3 books. This is the verb in its present form. And now this is a single noun. A single noun, which is the third. It can be replaced with the third person singular, he. He has 3 books. 2. Jamila has a brother. This is the verb in its present form and third person singular, which can be replaced with she. She has a brother. And the third one, I have some water. I have some water. And the verb is have. It is in present form, I have some water. Amina and Jamil have 2 pencils. Here right now we have 2 people. We have 2 nouns, and it is in plural form. And this 2 can be replaced with they. They have. And now this is the verb in its plural form and still in the present form. I had my breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I had my breakfast at 7:30 a.m. Right now it is past 11. Now it is no longer 7:30. So this morning it's already in the past. So the verb have, it's in the past form. I had my breakfast at 7:30 this morning. We had a party at the end of last term. We had. Now the verb is in its past form. We had a party at the end of last term. It's already in the past. Now the seventh form we have, they will have ice cream tomorrow. They will have ice cream tomorrow. So this action have not happened. It is going to happen tomorrow. So this have, it is in the future tense. And the last one, you will have a picnic next week. It hasn't happened yet. but it will happen next week. Now we'll look at more examples. So this is an exercise, okay? More examples. We use this exercise, and what you need to do here is to complete the sentences with have or has. Now we're going to try the first one. Obi dash a pen. Obi dash a pen. Now if you look at the table over there, we replace Obi with the proper pronoun, and we'll have what? He has, and the verb will be has. Obi has a pen. 2. My brothers dash 3 dogs. My brothers dash 3 dogs. When you replace my brothers, on the table you have they, and then the verb will be have. They have 3 dogs. Now I will let you attempt 3, 4, 5, and 6. Thank you and good luck.